quantum physics and the power of now. See how these two concepts are related and they support each other. In the power of now, we learn that being in the present moment is extremely powerful, because by being in the present moment, we do not let our mind wander to the things that's going to happen in the future or the things that happened in the past to make us anxious and worried. By being in the present moment, we get a lot of power, and we can do that when we are also focusing on our work. Just by the focus, not letting our mind wander, we get a lot of power. I will explain very simply quantum mechanics and how it can be related to the power of now. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist anywhere until they are being observed. It means that when we focus on it, we pay attention to the particle, and when we observe it, we actually are collapsing the possibility that this particle exists anywhere else. So the observation itself can change the reality about something physical. The same as the power of now and being in the present moment is that by focusing on our body, being in the present moment, we collapse the possibility that we start wandering our mind and getting really powerful by being in the present moment. Let me give you an example. Imagine that you are going to a concert and it's very busy. There is a lot of noises and confusion about how to enter the venue, where to sit, etc. And then you find your seat eventually, and there is a lot of noise, and people are sitting here and there, and things are going on, and you're not necessarily really enjoying your time until your favorite song comes. And then you really focus on the song. This is something that you really love to listen to. You see that by focusing there, you may eliminate the things that are happening around you. You become really present and one with the song, collapsing all these other things that is happening around you, and you get a lot of power from connection that really means a lot to you. And you get really enjoyment out of it. The same as the idea of quantum mechanics. By observing the particle, you eliminate possibility that it exists anywhere else. So what can we do in life if we want to learn from that? Put our observation and focus on something that we really want, because it's been proven also by physics that by focusing on that, you are eliminating a lot of other possibilities, and we can affect the reality. Similar to that, there is double slit experiment where they send electrons through two holes. When they're throwing them, if they are not observing the behavior of the electrons, they behave like waves. But as soon as they observe it, they behave like particles. So in physics, it shows that observation itself can affect the way that the things go. The physical things, the things that can be proven scientifically. It's actually a scientific fact that observation itself can affect particles. How can we learn from it? Put our focus and observation in being in the present moment, being in now, or focusing on something that you really love and your passion. And by doing that, you eliminate all this negative noise that's happening in your head. For example, you can't do it, it's not good for you, etc. So let's combine the power of now and what we learn from quantum physics and quantum mechanics. Let's put our observation and focus on something that really matters. Let's be in the present moment. And by doing that, collapsing all these negative self-thoughts that are happening, because we learned that scientifically it's been proven in quantum physics that observation itself can change the reality of the physical environment. Please like this video and share it, and remember to subscribe to my channel to support it and also spread these words. And I look forward to speaking to you soon.